Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Shubi here again, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make the best natural hair shampoo you can think of. The beautiful thing about this shampoo is that it doesn't dry out the hair. When you wash your hair with this mix, it leaves your hair feeling soft, moisturized, and shiny. If you've been looking for a wonder-working shampoo, then you are in the right room. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to get more of these kinds of videos. Alright, without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So the first on the list today is black soap. Black soap is made from blend of natural ingredients like plantain skins, cocoa pods, and palm tree leaves. Black soap effectively cleanses hair and scalp without stripping away natural oils. Black soap adds shine and luster, leaving hair feeling soft, shiny, and manageable. Next up is rosemary. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. It helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthen the hair. Next up is hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus leaves are beneficial for hair growth. It strengthens hair roots, adds shine, conditions the scalp, and potentially help manage dandruff due to their rich content of vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids, essentially providing a natural conditioning effect on the hair. Aloe vera has many hair benefits. It helps keep hair hydrated by drawing moisture from the air. It contains vitamins, amino acids, and minerals that may help promote hair growth. Honey acts as a natural conditioner. It provides deep moisture, softens strands, detangles knots, and promotes overall hair growth by adding shine, reducing frizz, and potentially adding in hair growth due to its nourishing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It also helps to protect hair from damage. The last one on the list is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil can help with hair growth, dandruff, and scalp health. It can also help prevent hair loss and add shine to the hair. So I'm going to boil some water. While I wait for my water to boil, I'm going to get my ingredients ready. I'm going to cut a small amount of this black soap because it lathers so well, and I need very little quantity of the shampoo. I'll dice and put in a glass jar. I'll put my hibiscus flower, then my rosemary. I'll go ahead and pour in the boiled water. This is about 200 ml of water. I'll cover the jar and wait for it to dissolve. While I wait for it to dissolve, I will take care of my aloe vera. This is how I get my aloe vera gel out if I don't want to blend it. This way the lumps won't be too much. I'm going to save this to get rid of lumps. So this is our clear aloe vera gel. Our soap has dissolved properly. I'm going to strain this mixture to get rid of particles. I'll go in with my aloe vera gel. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of honey. Finally, I'll add few drops of peppermint oil and our shampoo is ready. I'll pour this into a clean container. See, if you're making a large quantity of shampoo, you will need to add a natural preservative like Dermal Plus, okay? But I don't want to keep this, so I'm going to use this all at once because I'm going to be washing my hair and my daughter's hair, so I don't want to keep this. But if you want to preserve your shampoo, you need to add a natural preservative. Okay guys, that is all about it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share this video with your family and friends. As you can see, this is the result of our soap. It lathers so well. A little goes a long way and it leaves your hair feeling shiny, so moisturized and soft. You need to try this recipe and let me know the results. I felt so good using this shampoo. The beautiful thing about this shampoo is that it will not dry out your hair because we have ingredients there that will help to keep your hair moisturized and will help to keep your hair feeling soft and manageable. Until I come your way again, my name is Shubi. Stay blessed and have an amazing time. Bye.